Good morning, student. Today we will discuss some example related to the function. So, example number 20. Our question is let small n is equal to set of 1, 1, 2, 3, 0, -1 and -1, -3 set of be a linear function from z into z, then find out f of x. So first of all, here condition is present. Here function f order pair is given, and here condition is present. Be a linear function. So linear function, that means here we can return the equation of linear function. So first we can return here f is a linear function. So therefore f of x is equal to, here we can consider mx plus c. Okay. Now using by this order pair, here substitute in this equation and find out the value of m and c, and after this value substitute in this equation. So here we get the linear equation of the linear function. So first of all, here we can consider this order pair 1, 1. That means x in place of written here 1 in this equation. So f of 1 is equal to m into bracket 1 plus c. But f of 1 is equal to, here range is present 1. So here f of 1 in place of here 1. So 1 is equal to m plus c. This results equation number 1. Now after we can consider any another order pair. Here 0 is present. So here we can consider this order pair 0, -1. Here we can take any order pair, we get same answer. So now f of 0 is equal to m into bracket 0 plus c. Now f of 0 value is present -1. So here f of 0 in place of, this is our domain and -1 is our range. So f of 0, what is the meaning of this result? F of 0 is equal to, here we get -1. So here written -1 is equal to 0 plus c. So therefore c is equal to, here we get -1. Now the value of c is equal to -1. Substitute in equation number 1. So from 1 is equal to m -1 written in opposite side. So 1 plus 1 is equal to m. So m is equal to 2. So here we get value of m is equal to 2 and c is equal to -1. Now this value substitute in main equation. F of x is equal to mx plus c. So here we get the required linear equation. So now f of x is equal to mx plus c. So therefore f of fx is equal to m in place of written 2. So 2x minus c in place of -1. So required equation f of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Clear? Now next question. Exercise 2.3, question number 2. Our question is find out the domain and range of the following real function. Question number 2. Our question is find out the domain and range. First question, f of x is equal to modulus form of minus modulus form of x. Now here we can talking about real number. So in real number we can consider all negative number, rational number, irrational number, positive number, zero also. Now here we can consider 3, 4 negative number, 3, 4 positive number, and also here substitute 0, and after check out our position of domain and position of range. So here we can take suppose x is equal to minus 3. Now substitute here, so f of minus 3 is equal to minus mod of 3. But here minus and outside in mod form. So that means here open this mod form, we know that suppose here minus 3 is present in inner part of this modulus form. So here we can return 3. But okay, here minus sign outside is present. Now here mod form is present, so minus 3 in, okay, here we can suppose return minus 3. Now mod of minus 3, that means is equal to, here we get 3. So here remove this, already minus sign outside is present, and mod of 3 minus 3, that means 3. So here we get minus 3. Now x is equal to, substitute here minus 2. So f of minus 2 is equal to minus mod of minus 2, but modulus form of minus 2, that means 2, and already minus sign outside. So here we get answer negative. X is equal to, suppose consider minus 1. So f of minus 1 minus mod of minus 1, modulus form of minus 1, that means 1, and outside minus sign is present, so we get minus 1. Now x is equal to, return here 0. So again f of 0 is equal to minus mod of 0, but 0 is 0 position. Here we cannot return positive and negative form, that's why here we can return 0. Now x is equal to, here we can return 1. So f of 1 is equal to minus mod of 1, that means minus 1. X is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to minus mod of 2, that means minus 2. Right? So on. So here we can consider in domain position, we can substitute, this position is our domain position. Right? So here we can substitute any number in real number. Here we can substitute f of 3 by 2, f of 1.3. Here we can substitute any x in place of, here we can substitute any number in real number. That's why our domain is equal to R. Right? x की जगह पर हम कोई भी रियल नंबर के नंबर यहाँ सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं, कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज हियर वी कैन टॉकिंग अबाउट इन फॉर्म ऑफ रियल नंबर. सो दैट्स व्हाई कोई पाबंदी नहीं है, यहाँ कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं रियल लाइन के. दैट्स व्हाई आवर डोमेन इज आर. नाउ आफ्टर पोजीशन ऑफ रेंज, सो दिस वन इज द पोजीशन ऑफ रेंज. नाउ सी हियर, here we get all negative number in position of range, and also here we get 0. So our range, that means going in left side, negative side. Here we can take any number, so we get a negative form. See here, we can consider some negative number, some positive number, so we get negative form. Answer is we get negative form. That's why our range is going from negative side. So our range is open interval minus infinity. Also here we get 0, so close interval 0. That means our range is like, here 0 is present, right? Here position of 0 is present, here infinitive form is present. Now all this value lying between this portion, close interval 0 to open interval infinity. So our answer is domain is our R and range is open close interval minus infinity to 0. Clear? Next question. second one, f of x is equal to under root 9 minus x square. So first of all here under root form is present. Now here we can take x is equal to suppose here we again same method apply. Here we can consider 3 for negative number, 0 as well as 3 for positive number. Now here we can consider suppose minus 4. X is equal to minus 4. Now f of minus 4. So under root 9 minus bracket minus 4 whole square. That means under root 9 minus 4 square, that means 16. And 9 minus 16, that means under root minus 7. Under root minus 7, that means this term is not possible. So here we cannot consider minus 4. So now after here we can suppose consider minus 3. Okay, minus 4 we cannot consider because here we get negative number in under root form. Now f of minus 3. So under root 9 minus 3 square, that means under root 9 minus 9, that means 0. Now after x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to minus 4, that means upper part we cannot consider. Okay, now after going in below part, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like up to so f of minus 2. So under root 9 minus 2 whole square, that means under root 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, that means under root 5. So here we get the value is under root 5. X is equal to minus 1. So f of minus 1, 9 minus 1 square, that means under root 8. Now x is equal to, here consider 0. F of 0 is equal to under root 9 minus 0 square. 9 minus 0 square, that means under root 9. And under root 9, that means here we get 3. Now x is equal to 1. So f of 1 is equal to under root 9 minus 1 square, that means under root 8. Now after substitute x is equal to 2. So f of 2 is equal to under root 9 minus 2 square. So again here we get under root 5. X is equal to 3. So f of 3 under root 9 minus 9, that means 0. Now again here x is equal to substitute 4. So we get negative number. So here we can consider in position of domain, in negative side we can consider last position is minus 3. And in positive side again we can consider position is 3. So our domain is close interval minus 3 to close interval 3. That means here we can consider in domain position all these value between as well as close interval minus 3 comma 3. We can consider minus 3 also, plus 3 also, and all these value in between close interval minus 3 comma 3. Now after position of range, so here we get no any negative number. Now 0 under root 5, that means we can find out the square root. So here we get 2 point something. Under root 8 again 2 point something this value. Under root 8 2 point something. Under root 5 again 2 point something 3. So here in case of range, here we get the position of between 0 to 3. रेंज की वैल्यू क्लोज इंटरवल 0 और 3 के बिटवीन में ही आ रही है. देखो आप कोई भी वैल्यू डालो, इवन पॉइंट में भी डालो, ठीक है. तो रेंज आएगी क्लोज इंटरवल 0 टू क्लोज इंटरवल 3. डोमेन की पोजीशन हम क्लोज इंटरवल -3 के बिटवीन में ही नंबर कंसिडर कर सकते हैं, अदरवाइज अंडर रूट में नेगेटिव नंबर मिलेंगे जो अंडर रूट में पॉसिबल नहीं है. सेम वे इन पोजीशन ऑफ रेंज, so in case of range again here we get the value between close interval 0 to close interval 3. 0 और 3 के बिटवीन में ही हमको रेंज की पोजीशन मिल रही है. सो डोमेन डेट मीन्स क्लोज इंटरवल -3, रेंज डेट मीन्स क्लोज इंटरवल 0, 3. अब यहाँ हम x इज इक्वल टू -3 लिया है, तो हम x इज इक्वल टू -2.9 भी रख सकते हैं, -2.8, -1/2, कोई भी नंबर हम कंसीडर कर सकते हैं. लेकिन इसको इजीली समझने के लिए हमने x इज इक्वल टू -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2 लाइक दिस नंबर कैन कंसीडर. ओके, क्लियर.